So I just filled up the gas tank of this Toyota Sienna 2020, and this is after replacing this EVAP gas tank EVAP solenoid valve. This is the original one from Toyota, and I took the chance to purchase one from Amazon. It's made in China, but it is exactly, and at least externally, it looks exactly the same. I just replaced it, filled up the gas tank, which last time I did that, my car wouldn't start. And after doing some research and based on the check engine codes and the research I did, that was the second time that this Sienna wouldn't start right after filling up the gas tank. So right there on the gas station, full tank, try to start, and it wouldn't do it. The symptom was similar to when your battery is going bad or your battery is dying, right? It was just trying, and then giving up after maybe 5 seconds. And it will do that. I can tell you that we tried to start it maybe 5 times, waited some time. We tried charging the battery to see if that would work. We checked the voltage on the battery, and it was good. We actually, after being able to start the minivan, I took it to a local auto parts store where they check your battery for free, and they check the charging system, and all of the tests came back good. We replaced the battery preventively just in case it was dying or failing. Went back a week after I went back to fill up the tank, the gas tank, and after filling it up, it gave me exactly the same symptom. It wouldn't start. So since I had done some research already, this second time I removed the hose that goes on this port, which is very easy to remove on the engine bay. I removed it, and that allowed the car to start. And then when I put that hose back, this minivan wouldn't start, this Sienna. So long story short, in both occasions, the issue only happened at the gas station right after pouring and filling up the gas tank. So, and the thing is that this valve controls the gases that are feedback or sent back from the gas tank, from one of the parts on the gas tank. It comes back through this port, and this valve opens and closes depending on the conditions, and sends through this other port back to the engine. And it seemed like if the valve, if this solenoid stays open, it gets stuck open, it will create a mix of air and gas that is, it has too much gas or too much gas vapors, and then it creates a problem to start the car. So just giving you this update from my previous video. I will include the link of this valve that I got from Amazon. I'll put that down on the description. All right, tanks filled up. Second time, moment of truth. Let's try to start this Sienna. Yep, no problem whatsoever. We started as normal, no check engine light. Seems like we're good to go with the newly replaced a week ago gas canister EVAP solenoid valve. there you have it. Full tank of gas and no check engine light, no stalling, no issues whatsoever when it comes to acceleration, idling. This Toyota Sienna 2020 is running as new, so I'm really happy to report that. I will include the link of this valve that I got from Amazon. I'll put that down on the description. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe these and any other videos. Check my channel, and I hope you like what you see. Thank you.